Okay.
I think Indian weddings are more fun. Definitely Indian weddings with so much food. Oh, I love them. And
You'll
I love it for Indian
yes.
weddings, like the day before the day before the Mendi. In Indian weddings, all
Yes.
of the women come to the same house. I love it. I love. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Hi.
Hello. My name
Me.
my name is Sarah. What's your name?
My name is Siskala.
Kala.
Sissy.
Oh, Sissy. Where are you from?
I am from India. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK, but my family is from India.
Oh, your family from India.
Yeah,
Which part?
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Okay. Do you know Hindi?
A little bit.
Okay.
Which part?
You also from,
Which part of India are you from?
I am from south part of India.
Mhm. Do you speak Hindi?
No, I understand, but I cannot speak
Same,
out.
same. So, yeah, I'm the same, but I speak Gujarati because my family speaks Gujarati.
Oh, do you know Gujarati? Okay. It is similar, Gujarati and
Yeah,
Hindi.
yeah, quite similar. They have similar grammar and similar sentence structure, but the nouns are different. So a lot of the words are different, but even the alphabet is similar. So it's okay. And
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm hungry. I'm very hungry.
Oh, what's the time there now?
It is 20 past 5 in the afternoon. So if you can see the outside, it's going
Yes.
to get dark in 1 hour.
Okay, it is evening,
Yeah,
afternoon.
yeah, like late afternoon. So it's almost evening. What
Okay.
about over there? Are you in India or do you live somewhere else?
No, I am from India and also I'm living India.
Ah,
I
okay.
am from village.
Oh, nice. Which state are you from?
I am from Andhra Pradesh state.
Okay, nice. What's your first language?
Telugu.
Okay,
Telugu is my first language.
cool. And why are you,
You hear about
sorry?
Telugu
Yeah, of course,
language?
of course. I have many South Indian friends, but most of them are. I have some friends from Kerala. I have some friends from Bangalore. I have some friends.
Oh,
So I know some things about South India, but I don't know anybody who speaks Telugu. But I know of the language.
okay.
Um,
You have been India
yeah,
last time.
ages ago, a long time ago. I
Oh,
I went to India when I was 14. So it was
oh,
2006.
okay.
Yeah,
It's long time.
yeah, it's a long time ago. I miss India. I wanted to go this year, but then the coronavirus started, so.
You from now UK, US,
UK.
UK.
Yeah.
Which part? You live in city or village
Uh,
or town?
So my parents live in a small town, but I live in a city, Manchester. Have you heard of it?
What? Repeat again.
I live in Manchester.
Yes, I heard, but
Yeah,
yeah, I have not
no,
been.
that's okay. Why are you learning English? What's your reason?
Yeah, I want to develop my English, speaking English. Mostly conversation English. That's why I'm learning English.
Nice. And
I had to Cambly.
when did you?
So yeah, tell
Oh,
me,
I was gonna
ask me.
say, when did you start learning English?
First 3 months in Cambly.
Nice.
I know English from my school
Of
days,
course, yeah.
but I am very nervous to speak out because it is my second
Yeah,
language here.
yeah, yeah. It can be difficult to have enough confidence. I
Yes,
always say to my students, the number one thing that you need is confidence. Even
yes,
if you don't have vocabulary, even if you don't know grammar, doesn't matter. You just need to be confident.
yes.
So Sisikala,
What I speak out, I speak out very confidently. It is right or wrong.
it doesn't. So long as people understand you, it's okay. I think when you speak quietly, sometimes people don't understand you. If you speak loudly and they don't understand you, at least they can say, sorry, what did you say?
Okay.
So Sisikala,
Okay.
oh,
Can I ask you
yeah,
questions?
of course.
Which parts you are visited in India?
Could you repeat that? Sorry.
Which places are visited in India? You?
I only went to Gujarat because we went to visit my family. So my
Oh,
dad's sisters live in Gujarat still. Um, do you know Surat
okay.
in Gujarat? Surat?
Yes, it is very
Yeah.
famous to sell clothes
Yeah.
and saris.
Yeah. So
You know
yeah,
that?
so we went to Surat to buy some clothes. But my dad
Yes.
is from a small village close to Surat. So
Okay.
he's from a small village, and my mum's parents are from another small village but close to Surat.
Okay. But you are still in UK.
Yeah, still in the UK. I wanted to move to India, but at the moment it's so difficult. Yeah.
Yes, it is so difficult to go outside.
Yeah. Yeah. Um
Which places you are like to visit in India?
Everywhere. I want
You
to go everywhere.
visited only Gujarat,
Yeah, just Gujarat and Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay.
Oh, we went to Mumbai for the airport. That was it, just to go to the airport.
Yeah. It is which is better? It is India or UK? You already visited two places.
Um, they are both very different. Like both very different.
Yeah.
You can't compare them. You really can't because India in some ways it's so crazy, but it's so colorful and so um it, everyone is a bit. In some ways, they are more friendly, and also India is so big. It's so big that you cannot compare. You couldn't even say from Surat to Mumbai. It's so different already. It's so different. The UK, I like it because it's comfortable. It's so comfortable. And it's easy because everybody speaks your language. So for me, it's easy to be here.
Everyone speak English there
Um,
in UK.
yes. And if you don't, what I mean is like if I go to the shop, I won't have any trouble. Like it's easy for me because most people speak English. So actually,
Yes.
my dad speaks English, but not very well. So you have a lot of people like my dad
Oh.
who can speak a little bit of English, but not that much.
Okay. You are
So I
doing
want
work
to,
there in UK.
sorry.
Oh, what you are telling now?
Oh, I was going to ask you, like,
You are go.
how old are you, and what do you do? Like, are you working or do you have children? Tell me about yourself.
Yeah, I am a housewife I have one baby girl.
How old is she?
She's 3 years old now.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
And how long have you been married
And also,
for?
I'm married from 4 years. In 2017, I got married.
Nice. And
You are working? You have you? What is your profession work there
I just work on
in
Cambly
UK?
at the moment.
Before what you were doing there?
Before I was living in Vietnam. Do you know Vietnam?
No.
It's in Southeast Asia, so it's close to Malaysia, and yeah. So
Okay.
I was
Yeah.
working over there as a teacher.
Okay. You are full time teacher.
I was a teacher, and then the
Oh.
coronavirus came.
Yes,
So
that's
yeah,
right. Now you are doing only
yeah,
on
yeah,
online.
exactly. Yeah. So how old are you?
I am 26 years
Ah,
old
okay.
now.
I'm 28, so it's almost the same.
Yes.
Okay.
You got
No,
married or
my parents keep telling me to, but I don't want to.
okay. Which wedding you are like in India wedding or UK?
I think Indian weddings are more fun. Definitely Indian weddings with so much food. Oh, I love them. And
You
I love it for Indian
yes.
weddings, like the day before the day before the Mendi. In Indian weddings, all
Yes.
of the women come to the same house. Ah, I love it. I love it. I haven't gotten it. I miss it.
It is available there.
Yeah,
It is henna
yeah.
mehendi
So yeah,
in
in
you.
the UK we have many Indian shops and many Pakistani shops. So anything you want, you can get
Oh,
it.
okay.
But yeah, so my favorite thing about Indian weddings is the day before the Mendi, all the women they sit together and they make achar, like like they make food together, and it's so nice. But for English weddings, normally they don't cook anything. Normally it's like a restaurant who makes the food or the wedding hall makes the food. So I prefer Indian weddings.
Which wedding you are doing? It is Christian wedding or Hinduism. What is
My
like?
parents are Muslim, so it's like Indian but Muslim. So yeah, so they
Yeah.
have like they have of course they have the mehendi, and then they have the main day. Then they have what they call the I forgot the word, but the day after the wedding, they have another party because they just love to have so many parties. um,
Yes. I think your name is Sarah. I think you are a Christian. I thought.
no, my family is Muslim.
Okay. I thought
Are
that.
you Christian?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. I think Christianity is more common in South India, right? Mm-hmm.
Yes. In Kerala,
Yeah,
like
yeah, definitely in Kerala. Yeah,
you have friends in Christian
yeah, I have. Yeah, I
religion.
do. I even have one Indian Christian friend. She is from Bangalore. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
but most of my Indian friends are Hindu. I think most of them. Yeah,
Yes, yes. Most of so many religions is here
yeah.
in India.
Yeah, it's beautiful in some ways. So many religions. It's really nice.
Yes, I love so much my
Yeah,
country.
I hope to come back soon. Hopefully, maybe next year.
Yes, you stay here permanently in India or you move again in
I
UK?
think because if I get a job in the UK this year, I can only come for 2 or 3 weeks. But maybe in a
Oh,
few years, I want to stay there for 1 year. I want to stay for 1 or 2 years. So fingers crossed, maybe.
yes. Hopefully.
Hopefully. What time is it? Are you going to go to bed now? Is it bedtime?
Yes, it is 10:15.
Okay, so we have to go. It was so nice to talk to you though. Have a
Have a
nice day,
nice
you
day.
too. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.